This is a very quick video. Okay, nothing in the mask. Sorry if it's sorry. I actually kind of dyed it. Squishies, yes, in the classroom. Sorry if you didn't know. Yes and no. Products in the classroom, yeah. Fidget toys. Hashtag fidget toys. Yes, because, but it's not a big deal. Can't hear it. Puppets, all your puppets. These are not all my puppets. I just filled it up in the basket. Puppets, no. Mini puppets, yes. Any type of fidget spinner? No. Any type of three dimple? Is that what it's called? Three dimple. I forgot the name. Any type of fidget spinner, as I said. No. Any type of fidget spinner, as I said. Oh my god. No, because they make like noise. Is that cool? Sorry about that. I got scared. I'm actually might cut this open. Anyways, yes, any DNA ball. Yes, not any. Only the DNA balls have an exception because they can't burst. They can't go like boom. Orbeez, no, because it can go boom and burst. No. Peapod, if you have extra anger issues. Yes. And it's very quiet. Slime, no. Any slime has no exception from me. From your classroom, no. Especially if you have carpet, no. Like seriously, it's a no. Any slime does not have an exception. Hand sanitizer, oh, never mind. First, the hand sanitizer, wait. Oh, yeah. Damn it. Well, puzzle ball, if I said that right, that thing, what I, the puzzle ball. Anyways, the puzzle ball, I will say yes. If I said puzzle ball right. No, I would say yes if I said puzzle ball right. But no, you can't take it in your classroom. It's too loud. This thing, the switch, yeah. Sorry. Hey, bro. The switch just ruins it. If you didn't play with the switch, then it's because everything else is so quiet. Okay, it's time for hand sanitizer for the puppet. Hand sanitizer puppet, right? Hand sanitizer, yes, definitely. Because you want to know why? Put hand sanitizer on your hands. If you play with any else fidget, like someone's fidget, like, yeah. You play with it with your hand sanitizer. For example, if you didn't have hand sanitizer and you played with someone's fidget. Oh, did you hand sanitize your hands? Oh, totally. And when you touch it, all your germs go into the puppet with your finger if you don't hand sanitize. Did you know that? Did you? Yeah, so hand sanitize all the time. Because the person gets sick when they touch it. Like, legit, when they touch it, you get sick. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. Bye!